Welcome back. We want to look at another useful function in Excel, which we call subtotal. Subtotal is used to summarize our data. That means when we need it to get a group summary, we can as well apply what we refer to as what for subtotal. To apply subtotal on any record, the first step you need to do is to sort the data either in ascending or in descending order. Looking at this spreadsheet, we have the employee number, we have the building department status, hire date, years benefits, new salary. What we want to achieve here is we want a situation whereby we want to get a group summary based on the department salary accrued for each department. Remember, we said the first step to do is for you to sort the data. Select the entire column C, then go back to your data tab, click on either A to Z. A means sort ascending to descending, while Z to A means sort descending to ascending. Let's click on A to Z. When you click on A to Z, you have a dialog box which says, what do you want to do? We want to do what? We want to continue with these selections. We want to expand the selections, continue with the current selections. When you say expand the current selections, every relations related to the department, other columns that are related to that department are sorted along. But if you click on continue with the current selections, only the department will be sorted, other relations will not be carried along. So we want other relations to be carried along, so we are making use of expand the selections. Let's click on sort. When you click on sort, the department has been sorted in ascending order. Click out, then go back to your data tab, click on subtotal. After clicking on subtotal, you have a dialog box like this which says, at each change, bear it in mind, the column you sorted outside before is the one that is changing. Presently, what is changing is the department. Let's look for department. Pick the department. Use functions. You have a lot of functions under this drop down. Now you have some, you have can't. What we want to achieve is to have a breakdown of salary for each department. That means we are using sum. Now after picking sum, add subtotal to. These are the columns you can add subtotal to. Let's pick salary. We are going to add subtotal to salary. Not only that, you have replace current subtotal. That means you have a subtotal once. If you now run subtotal again, it is possible that when you are running to the second time, the first subtotal will be replaced. If I don't want the first subtotal to replace, that will I will uncheck this. Then I have an option here, page break. I check page break. Why? So that by the time my result will be printed out, each of the department will appear on a separate sheet. Now I have summary below data, so that by the time the report is generated, I have a breakdown of the department and I have a summary below. But there are some managers which wants the summary to appear above. If my managers prefer the summary to appear above, that means I'll uncheck this. The summary will appear above. But here now we want the summary to appear below. So let's click OK. By the time you click OK, you have your results. Now here you have a breakdown of the department. Look at this. You have the department. This is account management total, and this is the sum of their department. This is another department called ADC, and this is their this is the sum of their salary. But looking at the left side of your screen, you have what we refer to as outline. If I click on one is giving me the total. You can see the grand total of the salary, while outline 2 is the one doing the classifications, giving us a breakdown of the department, while we have 3. Now your 3, it's where we're coming from, where you have a breakdown of the department, then you have the total below. But let's go back to outline 2. Outline 2 forms the basis of our report, because we want a classification based on the department, and we can see here we have the department and we have the salary. To copy these out to a separate sheet, you create a new sheet, and let's see, go back to where we have the subtotal, allies, and press Ctrl C to copy. Now go back to where you want to paste it on that particular sheet. You then right click and click on paste, and here you have both the hidden and the unhidden cells. and this is not the kind of report you want. To actually copy back your report, go back to Subtotal, highlight your data, press Ctrl G, click on special. From special, you can see visible cells. That means you are interested in only the visible cells. Click OK. Then press Ctrl C to copy. Don't select again, just press Ctrl C to copy. Then go to the other sheet where the report is pasted. I want to paste it close to this. I can right click and click on paste. Here I have a separate report, different from here. Here I have both the hidden and the unhidden cell, where this has only the visible cell. And this demonstrates how the results can be copied to a separate sheet using what? Subtotal. Another thing we can look at is we can as well go back to our original data by clicking inside our data, then click on what? Subtotal column, then click on what? Remove all. By clicking on remove all, we return back to the original data.